Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about the Satellite Generation 4 and the handle locking mechanism, how to use it and where to put the handle for different positions. So as it arrives, you'll see the machine comes folded, and obviously when you're removing the tooling you need to have it in the upright position and obviously in the user position as well. So you'll notice it has a locking mechanism on each side. You'll see that there's a hand wheel on each side. You only need to use one side when locking the handle. Either or is fine. So to release the handle we need to turn this here and you'll find that comes undone and then the handle's free to move. Now when you move the handle up you'll hear different clicking positions as to where you can lock it, and obviously when you're putting it in the storage mode you need to have it all the way down. There's some stops there so you can't go too far, and then you simply just tighten this up and that's locked into position. So the next step I want to talk about is when you're removing diamonds and inspecting the diamonds under the machine. So the best position we found for this machine is a bit beyond straight up and down, so somewhere about there. So lock that in position, give that a firm lock. So you'll find when you're tightening it up there's a position and you can see the teeth lock in securely. It's a good idea to have a visual check to make sure the teeth are locked in the right position. Give that a firm lock and then you can come around the back and tilt the machine over. And that means that when you tilt the machine over there's room for the suction, the vacuum hose to come through here, also extension lead of course, and the head is well back so you can access the diamonds nice and quickly and get them off. Okay, so we'll put that back down. Now, the user positions are very simple obviously, so just release this. You lower it down to a position that suits you. So I like that position there myself, it feels natural. And tighten that up once again, having a visual check on the teeth to make sure that they're locked in. And you'll find that there's no slop in there, so it doesn't clunk up and down, and it just makes the whole user experience of the grinder a lot nicer. So obviously you can go down very low. If you're going under a table or bench you can actually lower this right down out the way and still use the machine quite safely. So that's the short on how to use the handle locking mechanism and the best positions to put it into for your advantage. Thanks for watching.